Morning everyone, my name is Aishalesh Kumar. Today is the occasion of death anniversary of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule and Red Planet Day. Today I am doing and giving a speech on Red Planet Day. The red planet is known as Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of Roman god of war and is often referred to as the red planet. The latter refers to the effect of the iron oxide prevalent on Mars surface, which gives it a reddish appearance. So it is known as red planet. Difference among the astronomical bodies visible to the naked eye. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere with surface features reminiscent of the impact carriers of the moon, of the valleys, deserts and polar ice caps of the earth. Polar radius of a Mars 3.36.2 plus or minus 0.1 km. Surface area 144,799 500 km per square. Volume 1.6318 into 10 to the power of 11 km cube. Mass 6.4171 into 10 to the power of 23 kg. Mean density 3.9335 gram per centimeter. Surface gravity 3.72076 meter per square. Moment of inertia 0.3662 plus or minus 0.0017. Synodic period 779.96 d. Average orbital speed 24.007 km per second. Longitude of ascending node 49.558 degrees. Time of perihelion 2020 August 3. The 5 facts about the Mars. Facts about Mars. Mars and Earth have approximately the same land mass. Mars is a home to the tallest mountain in the solar system. Only 18 missions to Mars have been successful. Mars has the largest dust storms in the solar system. On Mars, the Sun appears about half the size as it does on Earth. Some information about the Mars. Mars is a planet. It is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is the next planet beyond the Earth. Mars is more than 142 million miles from the Sun. Mars is known as the red planet. Does Mars have oxygen? There is no much air on Mars. The atmosphere pressure there is less than 1/100 of what we breathe on Earth. But what little is there has failed veterinary scientists. Oxygen, which makes us about 0.13% on the Martian atmosphere. It is the latest puzzler inside planet Mars, often visible as a reddish light in the Earth sky. Mars captured the imaginations of those who dream of space travel. The planet's thin atmosphere is hostile, low human life. But Mars has many interesting geology features similar to those on Earth, such as volcanoes and canyons. Thin atmosphere 19.532% carbon dioxide, 2.7% nitrogen, 1.6% oxygen, 0.13% oxygen, 0.08% carbon monoxide. Surface conditions air pressure 0.7% of Earth average temperature minus 67 degree Fahrenheit or minus 55 degree centigrade. Once again, the wishes to the Red Planet Day and the death of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule anniversary. Thank you.